the SodaStream Energy Syrup. Perfect for giving fizzy beverages a boost of energy, the SodaStream Energy Syrup offers a reliable option, especially if you're trying to steer away from expensive and highly processed store-bought energy drinks. True to its name, this syrup aims at keeping you alert and awake without spending a penny on Red Bull, Full Throttle, Monster, or any of the popular energy drinks on the market today. Besides not having to dash to the store whenever you need a caffeinated shot, SodaStream also offers you a notable healthier dose since it uses fewer sugars and sweeteners. Even better, the SodaStream Energy Syrup is one of the best SodaStream energy syrups that's likely to hit you with the subsequent crashes that regular energy drinks often deliver. The only downside, however, is that the syrup is notably pricier than some of the other top SodaStream flavors on the market. However, the fact that a 148 fluid ounce bottle makes up to 9 liters of energy drink still makes it worth every dime relative to the store-bought energy cans.